thing I like about Alconox is it is an amazing product. It actually cuts the grease and cleans really, really well. So anything you want to use it on that has grease on it, it'll take it off.
Awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Why do you love Alconox?
I would say I love Alconox just for its usefulness with the amount of grease that has to build up with the oil we use. It's so good at cutting through grease, detailing hood vents, soaking baskets,
Nice.
and just overall cleaning. And I love the new jars compared to the milk jugs.
You
so
do. Nice.
They're great.
Oh, we love them too. Thank you so much. What do you love about Alconox?
Of course, they just changed to the new containers. It is biodegradable. You can use it on pretty much everything. I use it on the fryer pans to clean the debris trays underneath the oven. So I just like the whole usefulness, not just the one.
What would you tell a store that's never tried it before?
You can use it on practically anything. Your fryer vents to cleaning pans. I have clean lids with it, so you can use it on anything.
Wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you.
What do you love about Alconox?
Just that it's easy and that it works really well.
Yeah, awesome. Thank you. Why do you love Alconox?
Hi, I love using Alconox because it just makes my fryers look amazing, as well as we have perfect looking product coming out of them.
Wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you.
We love Alconox. It helps clean our products, any of our shelving, to anything that you need to fix.
Wonderful. Why do you love Alconox?
Alconox is fantastic. For us, not only the fryers, we used it on our floors and things. It really gets the hard stains up, degrease up. So it's become really multi-use for us.
Wonderful.
And it works really well.
Thank you.
All right.
Okay, why do you love Alconox?
Because it does a great job cleaning our fryers.
Nice. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
What do you love about Alconox?
It works really well on our fryers.
Thank you. That's it? that's all you need, right? What do you love about Alconox?
Because it is the best chemical in the world to clean anything inside of our stores. It doesn't matter. The fryers, outside, we love everything about it. You don't have to sell me on this product. I love it.
Thank you. Why do you love Alconox?
Hey, Alconox is a great product. It's multifaceted. It works well. I mean, you look at the picture right there. It really cleans it up just like it shows. It's actually a product that delivers what it says it's going to.
Thank you so much. Okay, why do you love Alconox?
Buy Alconox because it cleans everything. You won't regret it.
Why do you love Alconox?
I love Alconox because not only does it clean our fryers, as we were talking, it cleans our floors extremely well. So thank you very much. We also use it for our 3-compartment sinks when we spray it. Makes them all nice and shiny.
Nice.
So love the product.
Thank you.